Hi, my name is Jonathan and I'm the Kung Fu chef here at Rizzo's Authentic White Tiger Kung Fu, bringing you 10 culinary tips that you can use at home. Let's talk about knife sharpening. The more you use your knife, the more likely you are to have them to sharpen it. Here are 3 different tools you can use to help you in this process. Dull knives are dangerous. Why? It requires more pressure, and because the edge isn't sharp, it can go anywhere. That usually leads to blood. This is a steel. It actually won't sharpen your knife, but it will make it a lot smoother to work with. The best way to use it is just so. 20-degree angle from heel to tip. From heel to tip. Once you feel comfortable with that, and it might take a while, you can do it like this. Remember, always point the knife away from you. Go in that way. Basic but very effective table sharpener. Place it on a flat surface like this and take the coarse side, heel to tip, straight up and down, for 3 or 4 passes, depending on how sharp the knife is, and then go to the fine side. Take the whetstone, put it in water until all the bubbles disappear, place it on paper towel that's been damp, and place it coarse side up. Same idea as before, it's a 20-degree angle. When you're done with one side, go to the fine side. You finish off stealing your knife again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment the link below.